How to verify your EasyPaisa account. If you'd like to verify your EasyPaisa account, it is normally quite very simple for us to do so. Now, as long as you do not verify your account, there will be some type of limitations structured to your account or within your account, and you will not be able to make full use or the full potential of your transactions. So a better way would be to verify your account first by opening the EasyPaisa app, logging into your account. Then you have to tap the profile icon. After you log in, you'll find them on the top left, which will normally take us to our account page. And when we're here under my account, there you can see one of the option that says upgrade your account. So when you tap on upgrade your account first, the funny thing is that it's going to ask you to scan your left hand and your right hand. So you want to make sure to go ahead and then scan your left hand first, and then after that scan your right hand by just following the instructions that they ask you over here. Then after that, you have to enter your personal details according to the CNC. So any legal detail that is on your document, you'd have to enter them here, and you want it to be legal because next time they might also ask you to verify your ID card or your documentation. In that case, the information you enter now must match the information that you provide later through the documents. So here you can enter your full name as per CNC, your gender, your CNC expiry date, your mother's maiden name, father's or spouse name, date of birth and place of birth, and so on and so forth. Once you follow the on-screen instructions and complete this step, your EasyPaisa account will be successfully verified. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.